In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently export data using Salesforce. This is a crucial task for maintaining records and ensuring your data is safely backed up and accessible. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. This is the central hub for all your activity in Salesforce, and getting here is as easy as entering the corresponding URL and logging in with your credentials. Once there, you'll see various options regarding accounts, leads, and more on your dashboard. Next up, locate the Quick Settings icon. It's typically found in the Settings menu at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will grant you access to a range of configurations and options that are fundamental to the customization of your Salesforce environment. Once you're in the Quick Settings menu, proceed by clicking on the Open Advanced Setup. This action takes you deeper into the management settings and allows access to more sophisticated features of Salesforce that are unavailable from the basic settings. With Advanced Setup open, you're now going to focus on finding the data export options. To do this, locate the Search or Quick Find bar within the Advanced Setup page. Here, type in Data Export. This targeted search saves you the time and hassle of sifting through numerous menus to locate what you need. When you found Data Export in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to the Data Export page where you can begin setting up your export parameters. Now you're ready to kick off the export process. Look for and click on the Export Now button. This ensures that the export will process immediately rather than scheduling it for a later date. As you review the options, check the box that says Include Images, Documents, and Attachments. This box ensures that alongside standard data, any essential multimedia files associated with your records are also included. Likewise, you should see another option labeled Include Salesforce Files and Salesforce CRM Content Document Versions. Mark this checkbox if you want to incorporate all document versions into your export, ensuring comprehensive data coverage. For a complete data backup, make sure to also select Include All Data. This is essential to ensure that every piece of data within your Salesforce instance is included. Verify once more that the checkbox is checked, providing peace of mind that nothing gets left out. Finally, you're ready to initiate the export. Click on the Start Export button. The export process will now begin, and you'll need to wait for it to complete. Once finished, your data will be downloaded to your device. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully exported your Salesforce data for safe storage or further analysis. Thank you for watching. Remember, consistently backing up your data is a best practice to safeguard your business information and maintain an effective data management strategy.